Hi, let me teach you how to pronounce the Ndebele click nga. So this is the N and the Q brought together. Let's do this together. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. All right. So yeah, you do it with your tongue, this particular sound. All right. So let's use it in words. The first one is inqaba. So inqaba is a champion. Okay, inqaba. If you wanted to say we are champions, thina siyinqaba. This is when you're talking about a team, a teamwork, right? You're like, we are champions as a team. Thina siyinqaba. Number 2, inqagala. Inqagala is the bony part. You see the part where your feet meets the leg. They are those two sticking bones. We call them inqagala. All right. Inqagala yami ibuhlungu. That part of me is painful. 3, ihwanqa. Nga is that's the sound we're all about today. Ihwanqa. Okay. So ihwanqa is a hairy person. Okay. If you wanted to say Nomathemba is hairy, uNomathemba lihwanqa. Okay. Lihwanqa. Moving on, we have inqina, which is this animal, part of the antelope family. Antelope, yes. So that is inqina. All right, inqina. And then inqindi. Inqindi is a fist. Okay, if you want to threaten someone and say, I will box you, you will say, ngizakuchaya ngenqindi. Okay, or you can say this, nizakunqinda. They both mean I will hit you with my fist. All right. And then we have ukunqoba. This is a verb. Okay, ukunqoba means to conquer. Ukunqoba. If we say sinqobile, we're saying we conquered. That is actually a person's name. Sometimes it's Nqobile for a girl and then Nqobile for a boy. So they both mean we conquered. All right, we conquered. And then we also have the name Nqobani. So Nqobani means conquer. It's like an instruction to say conquer. Okay, Nqobani. If you're giving the instruction to one person, you would say Nqoba. Okay, for example, you're encouraging someone who's going to take part in a competition. You say Hamba uye Nqoba. Go and conquer, go and win. All right. And then we have the word unqunu. We use it in a sentence like this. Usphiwe unqunu. It means Phiwe is naked. Unqunu. All right. That's what it means. She is naked. That's all I have for you in the nga, nge, ni, ngo sound. I'll see you in the next lesson. Let me know if you're managing to pronounce it with me. Bye-bye.